definitely 10 years for sure. It's been amazing. It's definitely been a haul for us, but it's been fun. It's been interesting, and a lot of support that we've had between all the customers and family, obviously, and our friends. I mean, we just couldn't do this all without them. It's kind of works out pretty well. Sometimes our family gets a little crazy at us because we're always busy, but hey, you know.
Well, we became empty nesters after the last one moved out, which was you, Michael. And I left corporate, and so then we started our own adventure. And here we are, 10 years later.
10 years later and 2 years of COVID, and
Who would have thought?
you're still here.
A few hurdles.
Well,
Still here.
you're right.
Couple floods.
Couple floods.
Couple floods, you're right.
Couple
Yes.
floods.
But it's, I have to say, all the customers and everyone here that's kept us going, even through the pandemic, because you know, they would call and email and said, "You are not leaving. You're not leaving. What have we got to do?" Because you know we were closed for a couple months, and it was personal deliveries, it was curbside, and whatever they had to do to keep us open.
A lot of online that's worked out. So yes. So again, the support from the local just kept it rolling along for us. So for sure.
But Alton's been good for us. It's been a good location. The tourist, it's been a good location. It really has. Yeah.
And then we just keep expanding into different stuff, so it's just insane. So, you know, I mean, we've expanded. We're originally starting out with our olive oils. We started out with like 20 different flavors or 25 different flavors, and we're up over 80 now. So,
Well, that's because he won't stop by. Every new flavor he sees.
Your taste buds change, right?
Exactly, for sure.
Yeah.
You know, then we've added obviously all of our other goodies inside there between our pastas and our coffees and our teas, our spices and our rubs. I mean, it's a food junkie store is what it is, really what it boils down to. And you can go healthy or not healthy, take your pick. But you know, it's geared towards where we go to. So for sure.
Well, on behalf of the city of Alton, the citizens of Alton, I want to congratulate you on 10 years of business here. You making it through COVID, as you just said, making it through, you know, floods and everything, and you have a wonderful, awesome place. And just thank you for your business, thank you for your time, thank you for your sacrifice, thank you for all that you do to supply for the restaurants and just for the community and for tourism. You are a great asset to this community, and just want to congratulate you again on 10 years.
Wow, thank you.